Hey Days, welcome back to my day. Today I want to share some lessons I wish I knew when I was younger. Not that I'm not young now. I don't know if they're even valuable life lessons or if they will be of use to you, but I'ma say it anyways because I need to remind myself. So let's dive into the treasure trove of wisdom that God has gifted me, otherwise called my brain. I don't really use it much, so excuse me if it's a bit rusty. Lesson 1. Embrace failure. Yeah, failure is not the end of the road. It's not even a speed bump on the road. It's like a turn off from the road, but the good thing is you can always turn around or back that thing up. Every failure provides an opportunity to learn, grow, and become stronger. Success might not even be at the end of your road either, but it might. So don't fear failure, keep going, walk on the road, drive, ride a bike, ride a motorcycle, crawl, hitch a ride if you must, but see what is at the end of your road. Because if you stop, you get nowhere. You become stranded at the side of the road and all the failures you overcame became useless. Just pray about it and keep going. Lesson number 2, self-care. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Take the time to nurture yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally. Engage in activities that bring you joy, no matter what it is. If it's reading, read. If it's baking, bake. If it's fighting, do a martial arts. I'm not encouraging anybody to fight anybody. Point is, don't hesitate to enjoy these simple things that make you happy. Also, practice self-reflection. Write a journal, talk to yourself in the mirror, assess how you feel, felt, and why you felt that way, and figure out where to go from there. Make sure you prioritize your well-being. Put yourself before others. Your happiness is just as important as theirs. Your needs and wants are just as valid as theirs. As for your physical well-being, bathe, wear clean clothes, use deodorant or a cologne or perfume, do your hair, dress comfortably, don't wear or do something just because everyone else is, and you'll be just fine. Lesson 3. Communicate. No one will understand me if I don't speak up. My voice is important. It helps others to understand who I am, what I stand for, and what I don't. Don't be afraid to upset others by saying how you feel when you feel it. Holding it in is not good for your mental health and your relationships. Be loud and unafraid. Use the voice that God gave you. Be respectful and plan out a whole speech if you must, but make sure you're being heard. Lesson number 4. Follow your passion. Don't be afraid to chase after your dreams. I have about 50 dreams, and of course they may seem daunting and unconventional, but passion is the fuel that propels me. I like all the dreams I have. They give me a sense of fulfillment when I get closer to them or when I achieve them. I trust my instinct and just go for it. You don't even need to have courage to pursue what set your soul on fire. Just start it and enjoy the process. If it works out, that's awesome. If it doesn't, try again. Rome wasn't built in a day, y'all. And finally, lesson number 5. Embrace the present moment. Life moves at lightning pace, and it's easy to get caught up in the whirlwind of worries about your future or the regrets of the past. But the true joy lies in being fully present, enjoying the beauty of each passing moment that God has blessed you with. Remember, the past is gone and the future is yet to come, but the present is a gift. So just have fun while you can. Stop and smell the sewer because the world stinks. But don't forget to also smell the restaurants because those are lovely. So there you have it, Days. 5 lessons that I wish I knew when I was younger. They have transformed my life for the better, I can say. Now, back to the vlog.
Hey Days, welcome back to my days. I got a couple of life updates for y'all, and they're not really much or juicy or anything, but I just personally find them funny, so I decided why not to share them. So a couple weeks back we went to the movies, me and my dad, and we have a blast. We bought juice, stuff like that. I was in charge of the credit card, so on our way back we took the subway, we went to sleep. In the morning we ate breakfast, everything was good. Then my mom came home and asked me for a credit card, and no credit card to be found. That's right, I lost a whole ass credit card. And what's ironic about it is she got a credit card 1 week before I lost it. It's like she waited so long just for me to lose it. But by the time I'm making this video, the credit card has already arrived and she's using it. We're using it again. Just this time I'm not gonna touch it. But that's the first time it's happened to me. That's the first time I've ever lost something that important. So it makes me really wonder. It's a kitchen. behind me. Anyways, about the movies that we went to watch, Meg 2. Should I get out of sun? Because as much as the lighting is awesome, the forehead lines are not it. When I'm editing this, I'm gonna be like, oh my god. Should I restart this video? Me personally, I don't understand how dinosaurs started the first part of the movie, because I was very confused as to why I was seeing something that would come up in Jurassic Park in Meg 2. And I was even wondering if I was in the right theater, but I stuck around and then I saw what I was supposed to see. So it was funny. The black man, he was the only sensible man in that movie. Man came prepared. Man wasn't going to let what happened in the first one happen in the second one. Black people are always smart, endlessly. If you didn't know, I came here and met my Mima, right? Not biological Mima, but Mima nonetheless. And she visited me 2 weeks ago and gave me a bracelet. It's a charm bracelet. I also got attacked by a microwave. If you're wondering how did the microwave attack me, just know it attacked me, right? And I got this nasty cut from it. Well, can you see? How do I get you to see my cut? Let's just blur up my face here. Oh, screw it. I can't let you see it because it's not showing, but it's there. It's on my hand, on my bone here. And what is that fly? Why is it attacking me? Anyways, attacked me, gave me a scar, and had the audacity to continue working. Like, I should have just. But violence is not the answer. I don't believe that, but violence is not the answer. In some cases. I also got hit by the stove, so the microwave wasn't even the only furniture in the house that was attacking me. I was like walking and the stove just hit me out of nowhere. Just hit me for no reason. I didn't even do it nothing. I barely used the stove before it attacked me. It was after it attacked me and hit me that I proceeded to use it, because probably was being neglected and it was taking out its anger on me. So I just used it to, you know, make it feel loved. Because sometimes you gotta love your enemies, yo. What's next? My dad did something awesome. He broke a tin opener while opening a tin. I think the stuff up here that we buy in supermarkets and stuff like that, like the utensils, are very weak. So when I was using the tin opener, I had to be careful because it wasn't for cutting the tin properly. I had to be so careful. And then when I was using the knife, it was so bendy, it was so flexible. I was wondering, is this a flexi knife? Is this one of those things that you just slap on your wrist and it curls around it? It had absolutely no use. I don't even know what it's meant to cut because it cuts nothing. It's just weak. Why is there 25 messages on my phone? What's going on, fam? This is my family group sending 25 messages. Oh, it's pictures. She said she went somewhere and she has to take us there because it's a lovely place. That's my cousin. Can you see? You can't see. Back to where we were. I got a new tablet, by the way, and I ordered a case from it off Amazon. The case came while we were at the park, the same park we're at now, a couple days ago. So we went home. We reached the front of the apartment building only to discover Kayla did not take up the keys. What I did take up was the keychain that dropped off the keys.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Minor error on my part. We got inside the building because someone else was coming inside of us. So we got inside the building, sat outside, called my mom. And then we got inside and then we stumbled upon another problem, which was that the keys are in the room that we're staying in. But that room was locked. And the keys for that room were on the keys that are in the room. Almost like a riddle, huh? Minor error on my part. I thought the keychain was attached to the keys. Not my fault, obviously. Totally not my fault. But yeah, we got the tablet case. And the tablet case fit very well. The sun just... Ooh, I shaved my legs. Can you see? No, you can't see, but I shaved my legs. Smooth like butter, like criminal undercover. My dad's sitting over there, behind me. He's not in the camera frame. Should I let him be in the camera frame? No, let's not do that to him. I show my dad too much. I'm a fangirl for my dad. My dad's like a superhero. I could write a whole page on why my dad's a superhero. Oh, speaking of my dad, since we've been coming to the park often, I realized I didn't take much park photos. So it's like, Dad, take awesome pictures of me. And he was like taking them from like, he was standing up and taking them like regular, like this. I was like, what are you doing? And he's like, taking a picture. I'm like, no, you can't do that. I look short. He's like, so what? You are short. I'm like, sir, not everybody on the internet needs to know that. So I taught him how to take pictures, even if it's to turn the phone upside down or to stoop and get a lower angle. Okay, so I was in the park the other day taking pictures, and I was like, yeah, these pictures are coming out so good. I held the turtle in my hand that day. I was like, yeah, this is so cool. And I was like so obsessed with my camera that day. And then boom, I got a notification on the camera saying SD card needs to be taken out, or what was that word? I'll find the word when I'm editing. Yeah, that's how dumb I am. But anyways, that word. And I had a mini heart attack. I was about to start crying. I was like showing my dad and everything. I was about to start crying, but then the camera wasn't even turning off, because it was like turn off so I can take out SD card, turn off so I can take out SD card. It wasn't turning on, so I had to take out the battery and I had to take out SD card. So how you guys been? What have you guys been up to? But yes, it's been a while since I've kind of done an outro. I would just like to say thank you for watching this video all the way to the end.
And we say bye-bye.
Shayde.